Following the past year of persistent economic and geopolitical headwinds, middle market business leaders are feeling more optimistic about the year ahead, according to the firm's 2026 Business Leaders Outlook Survey. To tell us more about the survey findings and how these results reflect the business landscape, we're joined by the co-head of commercial banking, Matt Sable. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Let's first talk about middle market companies and the impact they have on the economy. How much of a role do they play in driving the economy, and why are they good benchmarks for how it's doing?
So they're a critical engine to the economy. We've got 300,000 middle market businesses across the country that generate 13 trillion in annual revenue. They employ over 40 million people across the country. They're critical to the health of a local economy, of a local community, when you think about job creation and innovation and technology, and we're proud to have many of them as clients.
The Business Leaders Outlook survey suggests that middle market businesses are feeling optimistic about 2026. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, they're very optimistic heading into this year. We started last year in 2025 with a lot of optimism that did take a pause in the middle of the year around uncertainty, geopolitics, tariffs, and that sort of thing. And we've seen that sentiment really rebound this year.
How are these companies planning for growth amidst the continued economic and geopolitical uncertainty that we're currently seeing?
So there is a lot of uncertainty out there in the world, as there always is. But businesses are very bullish on their own prospects. It's not anchored on one business case. They're investing in their business for growth. They're investing for continued uncertainty, and they're being prepared for a range of alternatives and making sure that they've got the investment capacity to take advantage of any uncertainty that might come.
And what are these mid-sized companies focusing on when it comes to adopting new technologies and AI?
So like we are as a company, they're investing substantially in new technology and AI. 2025 was really the year to familiarize oneself with the capabilities, and 2026 is really the year to drive adoption, to drive outcomes, both on the efficiency side and the productivity side.
Matt Sable, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me.